I'm the last person standing in the Supreme Court. So I'm just awaiting for the resolution of the court of my two petitions, that's the certiorari and the TRO, but apparently magiging na kami within the TRO tapos ng election. But it's more of upholding the rule of law. Thank you, attorney, and I believe in your sana sa inauguration mo maka-attend ako sa June 30. Yes, June 30. Kailan ang concert yun ni Imelda Pop?
Wow! Alright!
Are you on there?
Ano tayo doon?
If you're in Iloilo, I'll host you in Iloilo. In my hometown in Iloilo.
Namit gid! Ilo! Namit!
This is Attorney Respicio. I'm Dr. Montialvo. We have the same cause to look for a transparent electoral processes and the enterprise so that our votes and our candidacies are safeguarded by our government. That's why nagkaroon po kami ng pagkakataon na magkakilala para may sulong namin yung paglinis ng ating election processes sa Pilipinas. Mabuhay po si Attorney Harold Respicio at congratulations, Attorney, sa inyong pagkapanalo. I know no one can put a good Attorney Respicio down.
Oh my gosh! Well, so pleased to meet you, Doc. And sabi nga nila, lahat tayo may relasyon kay Chairman George Garcia, pero nasa maling relasyon tayo, kaaway.
Very adversarial circumstance.
Opo.
So we will wait for the resolution of the court. But this time I'm filing my motion for inhibition for the two justices who have relations in the cabinet that put doubt on the resolution of the case.
Alright. I'm very pleased na meron akong mga kasama dito sa Supreme Court na lumalaban laban sa katiwalian ng eleksyon. Sana po hindi na susunod mangyari sa 2028 para naman ang ating demokrasya ay maayos nating maipatupad at yung mga ninanais natin na mumuno sa ating bayan ang siyang mamumuno sa atin at hindi na po dadayain.
Mabuhay po si Attorney Harold Respicio. Mabuhay po ang inyong bayan ng Cagayan. Mercedes, right?
Mercedes Isabela.
Mercedes Isabela. Mabuhay po.
Alright.
Maraming salamat. Thank you, Attorney.